Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In Java, threads are a fundamental part of concurrent programming and allow you to execute multiple parts of a program simultaneously. Threads can be created by either implementing the runnable interface or by extending the thread class. In this tutorial, we'll cover both methods of creating threads, how to start a thread, and basic thread management. ###1. Creating a thread by extending the thread class. When you extend the thread class, you override its run method, which contains the code that defines the thread's behavior. Example *##. Explanation. Extending thread, mythread class extends the thread class and overrides the run method. Starting threads, the start method is called to begin the execution of the thread. This method internally calls the run method. Thread.sleep, this method is used to pause the thread for a specified time, in milliseconds. ###2. Creating a thread by implementing the runnable interface. The runnable interface is a more flexible way to create threads, especially when you want to extend another class. Example *##. Explanation. Implementing runnable, myRunnable class implements the runnable interface and overrides the run method. Creating thread objects are created by passing an instance of myRunnable to the thread constructor. Starting threads, similar to the previous example, the start method is invoked to begin execution. ###thread states. A thread can be in one of several states. New, the thread is created but not yet started. Runnable, the thread is ready to run and waiting for CPU time. Blocked, the thread is blocked waiting for a monitor lock. Waiting, the thread is waiting indefinitely for another thread to perform a particular action. Timed waiting, the thread is waiting for another thread to perform an action for a specified waiting time. Terminated, the thread has completed its execution. ###thread safety. When multiple threads access shared resources, it can lead to inconsistent results. To prevent this, you can use synchronization. Here's a simple example using the synchronized keyword. ###explanation. Synchronization, the increment method is synchronized, ensuring that only one thread can execute it at a time. Join method, the join method is used to wait for threads to finish before proceeding. ###conclusion. In this tutorial, we have covered the basics of creating and managing threads in Java. We explored two methods of creating threads, how to start them, and how to ensure thread safety. Understanding these concepts is crucial for developing efficient and robust multi-threaded applications in Java.